that the reflection of the hyperbola xy equal to 1 in the line y equal to 2x is the curve 12x square plus rxy plus sy square plus t, then what would be the value of t here? See here, reflection of the hyperbola in the line y is equals to 2x. What happens if you take the reflection of hyperbola? So let us take alpha comma beta be any point on the hyperbola, that is reflection of any point on, say, let alpha comma beta be any point on xy is equals to 1, implies the reflection of alpha comma beta with respect to y is equals to 2x becomes like h minus alpha by 2 is equals to k minus beta by minus 1 is equal to minus 2 into 2 alpha minus beta by 5, where we can get the value of h and k, that is h is equals to 4 beta minus 3 alpha by 5 and k is equals to 4 alpha plus 3 beta by 5. But obviously here alpha comma beta, this lies on xy is equals to 1. When it lies on xy is equal to 1, if you substitute some h comma k, that is h comma k, that is hk is equals to 1, that is equal to 4 beta minus 3 alpha by 5 into 4 alpha plus 3 beta by 5 is equals to 1. Now if you simplify, then we will get it as 16 alpha beta plus 12 beta square minus 12 alpha square minus 9 alpha beta is equals to 25. In this you can substitute here, since alpha comma beta be any point on it, since alpha comma beta be any point on xy equals 0, alpha beta is equal to 1, that is from definition. So therefore what you will have is alpha beta is equal to 1 and alpha beta equal to 1, that is 16 minus 9 is 7. So you will get the equation in the form of 12 into, let me take x square, that is 12 beta square minus 12 alpha square, and this is, finally this can be written as like 12 alpha square making minus s plus, and here 16 minus 9 is plus 7, that is minus 7 alpha beta, and minus 12 beta square plus 25 is equals to 0. Now this you compare, that is on comparing with the equation we have is, that is 12x square plus r into xy plus s into y square plus t equal to 0. Therefore on comparing these two equations, what you will have is r value is equals to minus 7. So which option is going to be the correct? That is option A is going to be the correct option for this question.